Hi there everyone, this is Ashmita. In today's class, we're going to solve a question based on the second philosophy paper of this fellowship college, and this is the entrance exam paper. Let's discuss the question. Now before that, if you are preparing for any kind of government exams or competitive exams, then you can join our classes. For the details, you can check the description box below this video for live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access 24/7, for doubt clearing sessions, for study materials, as well as for mock test facilities. You can join our classes. Coming back to the question, does the reliance on mathematics and science commit the scientific realists to mathematical platonism? That's the question for today's class. Now, the answer would be no. The reliance on mathematics and science does not necessarily commit scientific realists to mathematical platonism. Now, while mathematical platonism is one philosophical view that suggests the mathematical entities exist independently of human thought and language, scientific realism is a more broader position regarding the existence and truth of scientific theories. Now, scientific realism asserts that scientific theories aim to provide accurate descriptions of the world and scientific entities postulated by these theories. So, whether they are physical, whether they are chemical, whether they are biological, or whether they are mathematical, exist in some sense. However, scientific realists can hold various positions regarding the nature of mathematical entities. The first point that we are going to discuss is mathematical platonism. Now, some scientific realists may also be mathematical platonists, believing that mathematical objects such as numbers and mathematical structures have an independent and objective existence. So they would argue that mathematics is not just a human invention, but a discovery of pre-existing mathematical entities. Next would be mathematical fictionalism. That is what we are going to discuss next. Mathematical fictionalism. Now, others may adopt a mathematical fictionalist stance. They believe that the mathematical entities are useful fictions or constructions which are invented by humans to describe and model the empirical world effectively. So, from this perspective, mathematics is a powerful tool but doesn't necessarily correspond to independently existing entities. Mathematical nominalism. Now, mathematical nominalists deny the existence of abstract mathematical entities. That is what we are going to discuss right now. That is mathematical nominalism. Now, mathematical nominalists deny the existence of abstract mathematical entities altogether. Now, they view mathematics as a useful language or a tool for organizing our observations and theories, but they don't assert that mathematical entities exist independently of human thought or language. Summarizing the entire fact, while scientific realists acknowledge the significance of mathematics and science and the effectiveness of mathematical models, they can have different views about the ontological status of mathematical entities. Like they can have different views about the ontological status of mathematical entities. Like some may be mathematical platonists, but it is not a necessary commitment of scientific realism. Others may adopt fictionalist or nominalist positions, which allow for a different perspective on the nature of mathematics. So yeah, that's it for today's class. Thank you for being with me till the end of the class. If you are preparing for any kind of competitive exams, do join our classes for expert guidance. That's it for today's class. Let's meet again in the next classes.